From HSK 1 to 6, you are required to learn 5,000 Chinese words. That's a lot of words to learn. But if you can recognize some common patterns, you can learn the words much more quickly. For example, the character xin means heart or mind. A lot of Chinese words end in xin. For example, 小心, literally small heart, means to be careful. 担心, literally to carry the heart, means to worry. And 放心, literally to put down the heart, means to stop worrying. On the HSK curriculum, there are 28 words that end in xin. So as you can see, learning patterns like this can help you build your vocabulary much more quickly. So to help you do that, we're happy to announce a new video course called Word Builder or 词师傅. The video course has 100 videos. Each video will teach you one pattern. So the course will cover 100 patterns in total. Based on these 100 patterns, you'll learn how to build more than 1,700 HSK words, ranging from HSK 1 to HSK 6. The course is priced at $19, but if you sign up before February the 9th, you'll get 50% off. To buy the course, just click on the square button on the screen. To get the discount, use the coupon code CYT50. That's CYT50. I'll see you in the course.